Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your Shutterstock contributor account is verified and any tax or payout info is completed. This avoids delays later. Once done, prepare your image files in sRGB JPEG, correct dimensions and sharpness, and gather model or property releases when people or private property appear. Make concise captions and initial keyword lists to speed the process. You do this now so uploads aren't stalled by missing documents or bad files. Efficient prep saves review cycles and rejection risk. Navigate to your contributor dashboard and use the Uploads panel to drag and drop batches. This is faster than single file uploads. As files finish uploading, add a descriptive title and caption for each image, then enter 10 to 50 keywords while prioritizing the top 5. These influence search relevance. Next, choose the best fit categories and add location or IPT details when relevant. Make sure to attach correct model or property releases to respective images so legal checks don't block publication. After metadata is finalized, pick exclusive or non-exclusive licensing and submit your batch for review. Shutterstock typically reviews within 24 to 72 hours. Monitor the dashboard for status updates and alert messages. If an image is rejected, read the reason, then correct issues, crop, retouch dust, fix noise, or update keywords and releases, and resubmit promptly. One troubleshooting tip: if you get a technical rejection, export again with recommended resolution and lower compression. That often resolves the automated checks and clears the image for review.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.